Okay. All right, we were on the scatter plot, correct? Okay. Okay, so let's see, what should we create a scatter plot about? I think this is one of the ones that you guys already know what it is, right? The scatter plot. It's all X and Y values. You're trying to see if there's a correlation or a causation involved. Do you guys know the difference between correlation and causation? Correlation just means that two things seem to be related. They seem to be both going up or both going down together. And causation means one caused the other to happen. So, for example, the amount of rain we've got and the number of umbrellas you see. One causes the other. There's also like a graph I saw that was like global warming temperatures, the temperatures around the world, and the number of pirates currently in the world, and they're both like going up at exactly the same rate. And that's just correlation, not causation. It's not like global warming is caused by pirates or pirates cause global warming. Neither one is true. They just happen to be randomly kind of assigned. All right, so how about you guys, why don't you go get a ruler right now out of the box with the bunny. I'm going to have you measure something. Okay. So I would just have us say our shoe size out loud, but unfortunately we are girls and boys in this room, which means we have different shoe sizes in general from each other. So you are going to measure two things about yourself, and you're going to put it in an XY point. The first thing you're going to measure is your hand length, and that's going to go from the base, look at me, the base right here to the very tip of your top of your middle finger. Try to put and we're doing centimeters. So go to the latest, or the closest like ½ centimeter from the bottom of your hand, the base of your palm, to your middle finger. We're going to go to the closest half. All right, and the next thing I want you to do is to take off your shoe and measure the length of the bottom of your shoe to the nearest half in centimeters. Unless you can whip your leg around and do it while your foot is still in your shoe. And if you can, congratulations.
Our shoes look a little bigger, you just want us putting 30?
No, I want you to add on to it again. So mark it off with your finger and then move the ruler up. Okay. Okay. So who's got their numbers ready? Hand first, foot second.
I do.
Okay.
15.5 and 27.
15.5 and 27. 19.5. Okay. 31. 2035.
16.5 and 27.
Okay.
16 and 27. 17.5 and
17 what?
28.5.
0.5 and 28. Okay.
1932.
For 1 second, I thought you were saying 19.32, and I'm like, what the heck, Mason? Mason gets out his magnifying glass and like really gets down to business. Rihanna?
16.5, 25.
Who have I got to? Caleb?
20 and a half and 30.
All right, so we're going to graph these approximately. I do want scatter plots always on graph paper, but I didn't put graph paper on this, so we're going to have to sketch this one. We're definitely going to want to make some line breaks both ways here. Hand comes first, so that is on the X. It really obviously doesn't matter which one's which. Looks like our largest amount is 20.5 and our smallest amount is 15.5. We're adding hand length, centimeters in there. Let's see, the other side, we're going between 25 and 35. And then you're just going to put a dot for every single spot. Excuse me.